Hello everybody, I got the McStuffins from Grocery Chick and it's full of glitters and you can hold it, it's so glittery. And then I put the stickers already so everything is full of plastic in a box. So let's open it up. So if we opened it up, see we got the stroke, so you can check your heart. So if you press this button or this button, this thing.
Now let's check your heart. I'm Doc McStuffins.
So if you press that,
Let's get you a checkup.
so that's this one for checking the blood pressure. So let's test it out if it's not working. So let's pump this, rubber slinger and see what it's like a clock. So you have to touch this if you want to feel it. So after that, now we got the, for the ears to check if something's inside your ears. And it's also full of glitters, just like the injection. So there's like a rubbery, plastic thingy, so you can see in the eyes or, thing. And here is the injection. So the injection also got, so it's weird because it has this thingy, and then it also got glitters, just like this. So it's when it have glitters, so see around it. So after that, now we got the last thing, the band-aid. So there's a little heart of McStuffins. Always puts heart, like this band-aid. Can fit another hand. So now I'll show you the details of the bag. So here, the stethoscope and the scissors. There's no things like that, but some. So let's put all the things inside, and after that, I'll say goodbye. So bye-bye everybody, bye!